Express Water Whole House Water Filter. The Express Whole House Water Filter objective is twofold: reduce harmful impurities and filter 0.25 gallons of pure, fresh, clean water per second into each water connection in your home. The Express system reduces or removes over 52 different impurities from your home's water using a 3-stage filtration system. Less chlorine, rust, for example, means living a healthier lifestyle with the freshest pure water. Express water systems are out of the box ready to install with standard 1-inch connections. Super easily replaceable filter cartridges are guaranteed to keep your system up and running efficiently, and that saves you money. Every Express Water Whole House water filter system is constructed using a solid stainless steel frame for lasting durability. Color-coded filter chambers include carbon block, granular activated carbon, and sediment filtration filters with a reliable pressure gauge on each chamber. Need assistance? The company's on-demand support department is at the ready with experts to answer all your questions and troubleshoot any installation or filtration questions. The Express Water measures 23.5 inches long by 8.5 inches wide by 30 inches wide and weighs 62 pounds. Warranty: 1-year warranty. Pros: made with high-quality 100% food-grade materials. High-flow design can supply up to 0.25 gallons per second. Solid steel mounting frame, plus 3 individual pressure gauges. Cons: noticeable leakage after a few months in service. Cut the home's water pressure in half. Requires a bypass to avoid potential manufacturer defect.